This is the practice test for charts and graphs, and here we're looking at questions number 15 and 16. And we're given this table. It says the table below compares the effect of exercise on each individual's heart rate. And so we have these different columns. We have the name of the different individuals and their age in this column. And then here we have the resting heartbeat in beats per minute in this third column. And over here on the right, we have their heart rate during exercise in terms of the number of beats per minute. And so we get a little understanding of the chart, and then we can go to the questions. Question number 15. Which two individuals had a heart rate below 130 during exercise? So we're going to be looking at their heartbeat during exercise, and we want to find which two individuals were below 130. And so we find Sarah, her heart rate was 125, and then we have Miguel, and his rate was 100, and so our answer is Sarah and Miguel. And then question number 16. Which individual's heart rate increased the least during exercise? By how much did it increase? So now what we have to do is we have to find the amount of increase during their exercise. So I put a third column over here, which I've entitled the increase, and we find that increase by taking the heart rate during exercise and subtracting the heart rate during rest. And so the difference here shows us the amount of increase. So the amount of increase for Brianna is 95, for Sarah is 65, 125 minus 57, 68 right here. And then for Joseph, 160 minus 80 is 80, and so on. So you go down through the chart and give the increase for each individual. Which individual increased the least? And that would be Miguel. 100 minus 48 is 52, and his is the least amount of increase. And so the answer is Miguel by how much? By 52 beats per minute.